Hey you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Y'all, I've got a new unit from Unice here. This is their upgraded headband wig. First of all, the band is now made of breathable lace mesh. So it's lighter, more comfortable, and perfect for hot weather. And my favorite thing about this upgrade is that they've gotten rid of the Velcro in the back. So no more of the Velcro kind of snagging the hairs in the back. And it also comes with an adjustable drawstring. So it's going to fit all head sizes very securely and easy, and lets you even do 360 wig style, so high ponytails, buns included. So just in case you want to throw your hair up with this warmer weather. And y'all, it's still beginner friendly. No glue needed, no adhesive needed, and you can really be gentle on your edges if you are looking to grow them back or not do too much with them. And of course, I love a good water wave texture like this because you get a little bit of a wave, a little bit of slight curl. You don't have to do too much with it and you are out the door. So for my edges, because I know y'all are going to ask, I'm using the Kalita Naturals Edge Control. This is a really great edge control that I just discovered over a month ago, you guys. It keeps my edges in place, perfect for this headband wig and perfect for the summer. Your edges aren't going anywhere with this edge control. It lays it so well. Make sure you pick it up. I will put this in my Amazon store, and also there'll be a link down below along with everything else. And then from here, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and pop this unit on. Also, it's much easier to wear a wig cap with this particular unit. From there, you can do all your adjusting. So you're gonna wanna adjust your headband and the hooks and everything as you feel, as you just need to. You just want this to be super comfortable. I'm using all three combs as well to make sure it's nice and secure. And then of course the drawstring here, you're just gonna pull the first little button down, make sure it's not pulling, make sure it's not tight. And then to secure that, you're just going to grab the smaller little button and pull it down as well. And that makes sure this headband wig doesn't slide, doesn't move. You can have a good summer because you're not worried about any glue, lace spray, none of that kind of stuff, and your wig falling off, okay y'all? So as far as what I'm gonna do with this hair, because it is water wave, you don't have to do much to it. And y'all, this is the whole point of this unit, in my opinion, is to put it on and go, not put it on and spend 50 million hours in the mirror. Like, this is for my girls on the go when you just need to look decent. All I'm doing is just taking a little bit of water and conditioner that's in this Fenty bottle or whatever. I mixed whatever I had left of the Waterboy Fenty conditioner, and I'm just taking a little bit of mousse. Do not do a lot of mousse with this, just to bring out the curl. The curl doesn't need a lot of help. The wave, it already stands out on its own. This wig is literally a beginner friendly wig, so if you are new to units, this is what you want to go for. And even if you're not, even if you're just looking for something that will keep you cute, whether you're running errands, whether it's date night, this is going to be the unit for you. Also, y'all, make sure you check the description box. The exact unit will be down there for you, along with any products that I use or any coupon codes that I have. Everything will be listed down below. Y'all, so all I did after everything was set was just pop on this black headband. It's the most easiest. It goes with everything, and I think it's the one I probably wear the most. But this is how the unit looks if you're just wearing it down. It looks so good. You can go date night, you can run errands. Your edges are not being compromised with any glue, no lace spray, no nothing. Do them how you please, and you look good with minimal effort. So next, y'all, half up, half down. If you want a little curl, a little tendril in the front, all you're gonna do is just pull it from the back, and make sure you already have your headband on like I have here, so that you can just put the headband over the hair that you pull to the front. And then I'm just gonna bring it up like a normal half up, half down style with a ponytail. And here's just a second hairstyle option for y'all. Did a quick change on the headband just to show you guys. Headbands, you can have a plethora of them for your different styles, different outfits, all that good stuff. Perfect option if you are a gym girly and you just need to pull your hair up real quick. And y'all, from a ponytail to a bun is super simple and super quick. So whether the ponytail is just giving you too much hair, just throw it up in a cute little messy bun. Whether you're out with the kids, whether you're working from home, whether you are just having a day and you just want to look cute without a whole bunch of hair on your head, this is another quick style for you. And last but not least, a simple claw clip that everyone loves. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed all the styles that I gave you plenty of options. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to check the description box, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.